everyone, I am the Brick Boy, excuse me, the Brick Boy 24/7, back for another video of my part 4 of LEGO review. In part 1, we started off with minifigures. Part 2 was the city police. Part 3 aeroplane. Now, she is really nice, really good figure. It is set, as you already know, but if you didn't see my last video, it's set 3181 JM, could stand for anything. Job manager. There is 2 controls, side control panels, and 1 front control panel, and a seat, which is where you can put your driver, and your passenger suitcase. I find it to roll all the way around, so I put it here, because it doesn't roll around. Okay, that's him. That's the front done. Now let's move on to the roof. There is 6 seats. Put them in. You have to be careful of these red bits on the plane, because they tend to not fit. The minifigure heads tend to not fit. So let's go ahead and put the passenger in. Which seat would you like to sit in? This one. But as I said again, you have to be careful of the head. See? So we're going to move you to the front. There we go. Let's put the roof on properly. There we go. Down to the wing. It's about 14 inches from wing. It matters if it's down there because it's adjustable. From wing to wing. Here we have 2 jet engines. One here and one here. And of course the tail with a light on top. And on the side is a sticker, you can see right there. Let's see what it's like when it's clean. It just clips onto that. There's a little hole at the front there. That just clips onto that. The aeroplane knocked my camera over. So let's put you in. There we go. The front wheel doesn't reach the floor because it's lifted, but it does work. Thanks for watching. This has been the Brick Boy 24/7. We have just done part 4 and our final part on the minifigures, police, and so I will give the minifigures a 10 out of 10 because they are really good, and I will collect more hopefully. The police, the canal, and the biplane. I will give the biplane a 8 out of 10. It's really good, it just could have a bit more detail. The canal a 9 out of 10. give a 10 out of 10. It is really good. Thanks for watching. This has been